Just now we have seen that the adsorption is a surface phenomena. According to Faraday in the year 1883, he suggested this theory for heterogeneous type of catalytic reactions where the reactants are in solid state and the catalyst is in liquid or in gaseous state. The main role that is played by adsorption, that is the fixation of the reactant molecules by the surface of the catalyst. These adsorbed activated complex now are on the verge to detach from the surface of the catalyst, and they can form the product, main product of the reaction, and the catalytic surface is made empty for other reactant molecules to get adsorbed on the catalytic surface. In this regard, I would like to show you one video. So watch this video very carefully. It is of 52 seconds. So see this video that will enable you for the clear understanding of the phenomenon that is known as the catalysis. See this video. So this is how we can study the phenomenon what we call as the catalysis. So in these two theories we have studied that the first theory that we have studied is known as the intermediate compound formation theory, which is applicable only for homogeneous type of catalytic reactions, and the second theory that just now we have finished, this theory is known as adsorption theory, which was proposed by Faraday in the year 1883. This theory is only applicable for the heterogeneous type of catalytic reactions only. So this is how the mechanism or the catalysis, the phenomenon of catalysis that we can study. Now, in this case, the only point that is left from this topic is known as the industrial applications of these catalysts that I shall complete tomorrow. So tomorrow I will be able to complete this topic known as catalysis, which is very simple topic to study. So immediately we are going to start with the seminars of two students. First seminar will be delivered by Harshada Patil, and second will be by Ankita Dogre. So, Harshada Patil, you start your video so that I'll be able to see you. Harshada Patil.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
हां व्हिडिओ चालू करायचा हर्षदा पाटील.
Sir, first seminar is Ankita Dongre. Sir.
हां एक मिनिट हां.
Sir.
व्हिडिओ चालू करा बघा. हर्षदा पाटील व्हिडिओ ऑन करा.
चालू केलाय की सर.
हो व्हिडिओ नाही दिसत.
चालू केलाय, आता चालू केलाय.
हां. हां नाव इट इज ओके. एक मिनिट हां. एक मिनिट हा. Are you ready? Okay.
सर फर्स्ट सेमिनार अंकिता डोंगरेचा आहे.
हा,
अंकिता डोंगरेचा फर्स्ट सेमिनार आहे.
बरोबर, ठीक आहे. ओके, तू दे की आता तुझा व्हिडिओ सुरू केलेला आहे. यू कॅन स्टार्ट.
तो माझं काय हे नाही,
हा,
कारण तिला पहिले 2 पॉइंट दिलेले आहेत.
मी
तिला
आता
पहिले
व्हिडिओ
2
प्रेझेंट
पॉइंट दिलेले
करतो.
आहेत ना, म्हणून म्हणलं.
हा. इथं तुझी स्लाइड मी प्रेझेंट करतो आता. कॅन यू सी?
Yes,
तुझी
sir.
स्लाइड झाल्यानंतर मला नेक्स्ट म्हणून सांगायचं, म्हणजे त्याप्रमाणे मी सुरू करेन. हा, यू कॅन स्टार्ट.
Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Let I first introduce myself. My name is Harshada Patil. I am studying at Devchand College, Arjun Nagar in the Department of Chemistry. So today I deliver the seminar on the topic that is name is catalyst and the types of catalytic reaction. So first, what is mean by the catalyst? So the catalyst, some reactions are basically very slow. In order to increases the rate of chemical reaction, we have to use a particular substance. They increases the rate, speed, and the velocity of the chemical reaction, and which particular substance is known as a catalyst. And all the phenomenon is known as a catalysis. म्हणजे जर एखादी रिएक्शन घडत असताना ती रिएक्शन जर त्या रिएक्शनचा जर रेट किंवा व्हेलॉसिटी आणि स्पीड जर आपल्याला त्या रिएक्शनचं जर आपल्याला इन्क्रीज करायचं असेल, तर त्यामध्ये आपण एक पर्टिक्युलर सबस्टन्स ऍड करतो आणि त्या सबस्टन्सला आपण कॅटलिस्ट म्हणतो. आणि ज्या फिनॉमिनॉन मध्ये ही रिएक्शन ऑब्टेन होते त्याला आपण कॅटलायसिस असं म्हणतो. द कॅटलिसिस दोज आर युज्ड इन अ रिएक्शन, दोज मे बी इन अ सॉलिड स्टेट, लिक्विड स्टेट और गॅसियस स्टेट. So the catalyst is classified into main 2 classes, that is homogeneous catalyst, homogeneous type of catalyst, and heterogeneous type of catalyst. So the first is the homogeneous type of catalyst. In this type of reaction, the reactant and catalyst are in the same phase. म्हणजे जर रिएक्शन घडत असताना जो रिएक्टंट आहे तो आणि ज्यामध्ये आपण जो कॅटलिस्ट ऍड करणार आहे तो, हे दोन्ही सुद्धा सेम फेज मध्ये असतात. म्हणजे रिएक्टंट जर सॉलिड स्टेट मध्ये असेल तर त्यामध्ये आपण जो कॅटलिस्ट ऍड करणार आहे तो सुद्धा सॉलिड स्टेट मध्ये असेल. सेकंड क्लास आहे हेटेरोजिनियस कॅटलिस्ट. इन दिस टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन हेटेरो मीन्स डिफरंट अँड होमो मीन्स सेम. म्हणजे होमोजिनियस कॅटलिस्टच्या अपोजिट हा हेटेरोजिनियस कॅटलिस्ट आहे. म्हणजे जर एखादी रिएक्शन जर घडत असेल तर त्यामध्ये आपण जो रिएक्टंट ऍड करणार आहे आणि एखादा आपण त्यामध्ये जो कॅटलिस्ट ऍड करणार आहे, हे दोन्ही सुद्धा डिफरंट फेज मध्ये असणार आहे. तर homogeneous and heterogeneous are the main 2 classes of the catalyst, and these classes are sub-classified into other 6 classes, that is positive catalysis, negative catalysis, autocatalysis, acid-base catalysis, induced catalysis, and enzyme catalysis. In my seminar, first 3 classes I try to explain. Next, sir. First one is positive catalysis. In a particular catalysis that increases the rate, velocity, speed of a chemical reaction, such substance is known as a positive catalysis. And the positive catalysis acts as a positively in the reaction. म्हणजे जर रिएक्शन एखादी रिएक्शन घडत असताना त्यामध्ये आपण जो कॅटलिस्ट ऍड करणार आहे तो कॅटलिस्ट त्या रिएक्शन मध्ये पॉझिटिव्हली रिएक्ट होतो आणि त्या कॅटलिस्ट ऍड करण्यामुळे त्या रिएक्शनचा रेट आहे किंवा व्हेलॉसिटी आहे, स्पीड आहे, ती इन्क्रीज होते. So in the example, sulfur dioxide is converted into the sulfur trioxide. In this case, the vanadium pentoxide is used as a positive catalysis because they as a positively and they increase the rate of the reaction. So it is called as a positive catalyst, and the all phenomenon is called as a positive catalysis. In the second reaction, the 2KClO3 means potassium chlorate is converted into the 3KCl plus 3 molecule of oxygen. When the potassium chlorate and manganese dioxide is heated, it gives a maximum percentage of oxygen. So here the magnesium dioxide is acts as a positive catalyst, and the phenomenon is called as a positive catalysis. Second class आहे negative catalysis. Negative catalysis is exactly opposite to the positive catalyst. So it is easy to understand. In the case of negative catalysis, the particular substance which used in the reaction which decreases the rate of the reaction, so it is called as a negative catalysis. In the reaction, H2O2 solution means hydrogen peroxide is converted into the water and half molecule of oxygen. When a hydrogen peroxide start to decompose, then it can form a water and half molecule of oxygen, where a certain substance which play a negative role in the reaction, that we have to add a drop of glycerin and sulfur dioxide into the above solution. Then they act as a negatively and they stop inhibit the reaction. So they act as a negatively in the reaction. So it is called as a negative catalyst, and the all phenomenon is called as a negative catalysis. Third catalysis आहे तो म्हणजे autocatalysis. Auto means self. In this type of catalysis, that certain substance are self catalyzed. Auto means self. Autocatalysis is nothing but in this type of reaction, one of the product of the reaction has catalytic effect on the reaction itself. The reaction is faster at its latter phase. This is because of formation of autocatalyst during the force of a reaction. So in the reaction, the 2KMnO4 plus 3H2O 3H2SO4 is converted into K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus 3H2O plus 5 molecule of oxygen. This is the first step of reaction. In this case, the 2KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent, and it is added to 3H2SO4, and this reaction mixture is heated around 70 degrees Celsius. It can form a product. This is a normal force of reaction. In this reaction, the products may be catalyzed. The reaction, that is autocatalyst. In this case, the formation of 2MnSO4 that acts as a autocatalysis. In the second step of the reaction, the 5 molecule of oxygen is added to the oxalic acid, is converted into the 5H2O plus 10 molecule of carbon dioxide. Here this reaction, the oxalic acid is acts as a reducing agent that get oxidized. In this case, MnSO4 acts as an autocatalyst which can oxidize of oxalic acid into the carbon dioxide. And this is all about the autocatalyst, and the phenomenon is called as the autocatalysis. So this is the first three classes of the autocatalysis, that is positive catalysis, negative catalysis, and autocatalysis. If any difficulty, we will ask. Thank you.
ओके, कोणाला काही शंका असेल तर विचारा. एनी डाऊट? आय वॉन्ट टू मेक वन करेक्शन इन युअर प्रेझेंटेशन, हर्षदा. हां,
ओके सर.
हां, हायड्रोजन पेरॉक्साईडचं डिकम्पोजिशन हे रिटार्ड करण्याकरता अ ड्रॉप ऑफ ग्लिसरीन अँड सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड लिहिलेलं आहे नोट्समध्ये. तर अँड नाही आहे, आयदर अ ड्रॉप ऑफ सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड ऑर ग्लिसरीन. हां, एवढी करेक्शन करायची. बाकी छान झालं सेमिनार. यू डिड वेल. कॉंग्रॅट्स. ओके. अंकिता डोगरे, यू हॅव टू
Thank you, sir.
प्रेझेंट युअर सेमिनार. अंकिता डोगरे
Yes, sir.
आहे का अंकिता? अंकिता,
Hello, sir.
हां, व्हिडिओ ऑन करायचा. मिनिट हां.
ना केलाय sir.
ओके, एक मिनिट, लेट मी चेक. व्हिडिओ दिसत नाही. हां, ओके, इट इज ओके. थांबा, मी स्लाइड शेअर करतो.
हाँ.
एक मिनिट आहे, परत मी स्लाइड शेअर करतोय म्हणजे सगळ्यांना दिसेल. Can you see the
No,
slides?
sir.
Welcome.
हाँ, yes, sir.
Okay,
हाँ.
you can start.
Shall I start, sir?
Okay, yes, you can.
Next slide. Good morning, all.
Morning.
Good morning, all. Sir, ऐकू येते?
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, you can start.
Good morning, all. My seminar is on topic of catalysis. First, I introduce myself. Myself, Ankita Dongre. I am studying in BSc 3, Devchand College, Arjun Nagar, in Department of Chemistry. My seminar topic is type of catalysis. First one is homogeneous catalysis and second one is heterogeneous catalysis. First we see what is the catalyst. Some reactions are basically slow in order to increase rate of reaction. We have to use certain substances. These substances which speed up the reactions and they increase the velocity of reaction and they change the rate of reaction. They also alter rate of reaction. So the change in reaction path or velocity speed up reaction with the help of certain substance, and the substance is commonly known as catalyst. Next. Then we see catalysis. Definition of catalysis: any substance which enhance or alter the rate of chemical reaction and which remains chemically intact at the end of chemical reaction is known as the catalyst, and this phenomena which is used is called as catalysis. These substances are in liquid state or solid state or also in the gas state. The presence of catalysts that increase the rate of reaction or speed up the rate of reaction. Next. Types of catalysis. The classification of catalysis is strictly dependent on the state of reaction and the state of catalyst and the state of product thus obtained. There are mainly two types of catalysis. First one is homogeneous catalysis and second one is heterogeneous catalysis. Next, sir. First, we see homogeneous catalysis. Definition of homogeneous catalysis: a form of catalysis in which the catalyst is in same physical state as that of reactant in the chemical reaction is referred to as homogeneous catalysis. A form of catalysis in which the state of the reactant and the state of catalyst are remain same. Next. Here we see the example of homogeneous catalysis. First one is esterification. We are know the commonly know formation of ester is known as esterification. Here we see ethyl alcohol with acetic acid gives ethyl acetate plus water molecules. The reaction is very slow, so we use H2SO4 for a catalyst. Here we see the state of ethyl alcohol is liquid. Also the state of acetic acid is back.
No. Oxidation of carbon monoxide.
Next, esterification back there. Back घ्या सर. Esterification.
Esterification. Okay.
हाँ. The state of ethyl alcohol liquid plus the acetic acid is also in liquid. and we also see the catalyst is also in liquid state. So this is the homogeneous catalysis example of esterification. Here we see the reactant and the catalyst are in the same state. So we called it is a homogeneous catalysis. Next, oxidation of carbon monoxide. Here we see the carbon monoxide plus atmospheric oxygen gives carbon dioxide with the help of catalyst oxides of nitrogen. Here we also see the reactant and the catalyst are also in a same state. Next, heterogeneous catalysis. Heterogeneous catalysis definition: a form of catalysis in which the catalyst in different physical states as that of reactant in the chemical reaction is referred as heterogeneous catalysis. When the reactant and the catalyst are both in different states of the matter or both are in a different phase are known as heterogeneous catalysis. If the state of reactant is liquid, then the state of catalyst is solid. If the state of reactant is solid, then the state of catalyst is gaseous. If the state of reactant is liquid, then the state of reactant catalyst is gaseous. Examples of heterogeneous catalysis. First, oxidation of sulfur dioxide. Sir, there was some mistake. The state of vanadium pentoxide is solid, and I shall write it is in gas. Oxidation of sulfur dioxide. Here we see sulfur dioxide is in gaseous state with the atmospheric oxygen in gaseous state gives sulfur trioxide. The reaction is very slow. To increase the rate of reaction, we use vanadium pentoxide. Oxidation of sulfur dioxide into sulfur trioxide in presence of atmospheric oxygen. Basically, this reaction is very slow, but the rate of reaction increased by using the catalyst vanadium pentoxide. We see the vanadium pentoxide is in a solid state. The reactant is gaseous state and the catalyst is in a solid state. The states are different, and there we know it is a heterogeneous catalysis. Manufacture of ammonia. Ammonia is mostly used as a catalyst, and two molecules and 3 H2 molecules gives 2 NH3 molecules. Here we use the catalyst ferric oxides to increase the rate of reaction, which is in a solid state. Thank you.
Okay. काय डाऊट असेल तर विचारा. If you have doubt, you can ask her. अंकिता छान दिला सेमिनार. कन्सेप्ट एकदम क्लिअर आहे. फक्त एक करेक्शन सांगणार आहे मी की 4थ्या नंबरच्या स्लाइड मध्ये इथं ही जी डेफिनेशन आहे हे केअरफुली बघून ठेवायचं. एनी सबस्टन्स विच एनहान्स और अल्टर द रेट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन अँड विच इज रिकवर्ड केमिकली इंटरॅक्ट नाही आहे ते. मी इथं हा करेक्शन करतो. हे बघत असाल तुम्ही. दिस इज इंटॅक्ट म्हणजे आहे असाच. आपल्या नोट्स मध्ये करेक्शन करून घ्यायचं. विच केमिकली इंटॅक्ट म्हणजे आहे तसाच राहतो. जस्ट बाय मियर प्रेझेन्स ऑफ विच द रिॲक्शन इज कॅरीड आउट. सो दोन्ही सेमिनार छान झाले. त्यामुळे आता मी उद्याला किंवा परवा दिवशी राहिलेले जे विद्यार्थी आहेत त्यांचे सेमिनार विषयी मी सांगेन. सो एनीहाउ today we have seen that the adsorption theory of the catalysis, this is also known as the adsorption theory of heterogeneous type of catalytic reaction, which is the modern theory where the catalyst is in solid state and the reactants are in liquid or in gaseous state, where the main role that is played by adsorption.